Hi kids, it's Monday, grade 4 and 5. Last week, we talked about the missing terms. Ayan, yung mga missing terms natin sa addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ayan, missing term in a equation. Okay, now, pag-usapan naman natin ang perimeter at area. Okay, so makinig mabuti kasi ang formula na gagamitin nyo dapat kabisado nyo. Okay, so let's define perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of the measure of all the sides of closed figure. It came from the Greek word peri, means, which means round or around, and meter means measure. So, ibig sabihin ng perimeter is the sum or yung total ng buong side ng isang closed figure. Okay. So, for formula ng perimeter of square. Okay. So, perimeter of a square is, you can measure that in P is equals to 4 times S. Bakit 4? Kasi ang square ay apat ang sizes, apat ang sides niya na pare-pareho ang sukat. Okay. Let's have the example with this one. Okay. Let's say we have this square that measure 3 centimeter. Okay. Sabi natin, ang square, ang sukat ng isa, sukat ng lahat ng sides niya. Sabi, ang perimeter ay total of all sides ng isang closed figure. So, perimeter, ilan ang sides ng square? Siyempre, 4 times, multiply lang natin yan sa, ano yung given measurement? 3 centimeter. Okay. So, 4 times 3 centimeter is equals to P. Yung perimeter niya is equals to 4 times 3, that is 12. Okay, don't forget yung measurement natin, yung name ng measurement natin, that is centimeter. Okay, kuha ba? Okay, another example. Okay, let's say we have 10. We have 10 meters. Okay. So again, yung sides ay 4. Dahil pare-pareho siya ng sides times 10 meters. So 4 times 10, that is 40. So 40 meters. So ganun lang kadali yung pagsukat ng perimeter ng square. Okay. Now let's have the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Square at saka rectangle lang tayo. Okay, paano ba kinukuha ang perimeter ng rectangle? So kung kanina si square ay 4 times sides, ngayon naman, ang formula natin ay perimeter is equals to A plus B, open close parentheses. That means that we multiply by 2. Again, formula ng ating rectangle ay P is equals to close and open parenthesis A plus B. It means that is multiplied, then we multiply it by 2. Okay, let's have the example. Okay. Let's say, may rectangle tayo. Okay, say square, pwede siyang isa lang yung given na measurement ng sides. Sa rectangle, mostly or madalas, dalawa yung given na measurement ng sides. Let's say this side is measured by 8 meters. Okay. 8 meters. And this side is measured by 2 meters. So sabi, yung formula natin ay, ano yung formula natin? P, sa rectangle, perimeter, P times, or P is equals to A plus B is equals to A plus B times 2. Okay. So P, ano yung magiging A natin dyan? Side A, pili lang kayo dyan. Kung yung 8, so 8 ang A natin. So 8 meter plus, ano yung B natin? 2 meters times 2. Okay, so P is equals to 8 plus 2, that is 10. 10 meters times 2. So 10 times 2 is equals to, very good, P is equals to 20 meters. So yun yung sagot natin. Okay, maliwanag? Isa pa. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's say we have the rectangle measured by, okay, this side measured by 3 inches. And this side is measured by 12 inches. Okay. So again, ang gagawin lang natin, susundan lang natin yung formula. P times P is equals to A plus B times 2. Okay. Okay. So we have P. Ano yung A nyo? Pili lang kayo. Pwede yung 12. 12 inches. Plus, okay, 3 inches. Times, okay, very good, times 2. So 12 plus 3 is equals to 15 inches times 2. So 15 times 2, that is 30 inches. Okay. So madali lang. Yan. Kung nalilito, pwede nyo ulit-ulitin yung video. Okay. So that is the formula ng perimeter ng rectangle at ng ating square. Okay. So perimeter yan. So paano naman ang paano naman kapag hahanapin natin